Welcome to my channel, Edufan Adventure World. In the heart of a lush forest, where sunlight filtered through the canopy in golden specks and the air hummed with a symphony of birds and insects, there existed a harmony untouched by human hands. Amidst towering trees and winding paths, there lived a young fox named Luna. Luna knew every inch of the forest, from the babbling brooks where she quenched her thirst to the meadows carpeted with wildflowers where she danced under the moonlight. One crisp morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, Luna set out on her daily exploration. She trotted past ancient oaks and fern-covered hillsides, her senses alive with the earthy scent of moss and the faint trickle of a nearby waterfall. Deep in the heart of the forest, Luna encountered a family of deer, grazing peacefully by a tranquil pond. She watched as a newborn fawn wobbled on shaky legs, guided gently by its mother's nudges. The scene reminded Luna of the delicate balance of life and the beauty of nature's rhythms. As Luna continued her journey, she came across a clearing where butterflies fluttered around a patch of vibrant wildflowers. Their wings painted the air in hues of blue, yellow, and orange, weaving a tapestry of color that seemed to shimmer in the sunlight. At dusk, when the forest was bathed in hues of purple and gold, Luna curled up beneath a mossy tree trunk, feeling the pulse of the earth beneath her. The stars emerged one by one, dotting the velvet sky like scattered diamonds, and Luna felt a profound sense of belonging in this untouched sanctuary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.